Welcome back and thank you for being tuned in. Let's get you breaking updates coming in. The Council of Ministers meeting is going to take place shortly. So the Prime Minister has called for a crucial meeting of the Council of Ministers at Seva Tirth in Delhi. All union ministers have been asked to be in the national capital for this meeting. He has just returned from his five-nation tour and will be meeting the ministers shortly. Let's go across to my colleague Pragya joining us on the broadcast with the details. And Pragya, this is going to be the first high-stakes meeting of all the cabinet members this year with the Prime Minister. He has just returned from the five-nation tour. This also comes amid the challenging global situation. What is the agenda of the meeting today?
Well, we are given to understand there will be several presentations by various ministries because this is a performance review, of all the ministries as well. Prime Minister take that review, and this is specifically why this becomes very important because Prime Minister will also give a direction and also a vision of PM's new Ubharta Bharat, and this is exactly what have been told to all these ministries. We are given to understand that several crucial ministries dealing with the relevant global situation are going to give presentation. For example, Petroleum Ministry will be giving a review and presentation on a situation in West Asia. Along with that, there is also a presentation of Environment Ministry. We are giving to understand Morth is also going to give a presentation of the infrastructure development push in India, and Home Ministry will also speak about Naxal Mukt Bharat, a very big achievement of Government of India, and this will all be briefed to all ministers in the cabinet. There are Minister of State as well, independent charge as well. So the whole union cabinet and ministries are going to be present here. Army chiefs are also going to be present here. NSA Doval is already inside. We are seeing that the cavalcade of many cars, in fact, of many ministers are still going in. The meeting is scheduled to start at 5 p.m. today, and we are giving to understand that the discussion is also on the reforms that can be fast-tracked in the country, and Prime Minister is ensuring that his message and his vision of India goes to every minister, and this also, the performance also is a very crucial exercise that Prime Minister is going to do, especially at a time when there is a strong buzz of cabinet reshuffle, in the month of June.
Okay, all right, Pragya. So you mentioned that it is going to be a review meeting, that the union ministers are also going to be giving a presentation from their ministries. Are there any crucial decisions that could be expected today after this meeting?
Well, this particular meeting is never about decisions, but it is about the message that Prime Minister wants to give, and also a review of all the ministries and achievement of Modi government, of what ministries have done, and what message that all these ministers should take down to their own electorate and also to the people of the country. This becomes very important because narrative becomes very important as far as the government policies are concerned. Many a times you do good work, but that does not reach people. But when you have a review performance in front of the Prime Minister, every ministry wants to do its best, and this is why it is also a platform where the best decisions and achievement of government can be showcased. And this is why I told you that Home Ministry would be speaking about Naxal Mukt Bharat. Petroleum Ministry would be speaking how despite the global disruption in the energy chain, they still maintain that the inflation did not, and the increase in oil prices did not get transferred to the consumers. So all of the steps that government had taken in past few years and few months, this is going to be the part of the presentation as well.
Okay, all right. Pragya, thank you for joining us with those details. So we come back to you for those updates. Very quick break here. We'll be right back.